How many ways can you cook corn on the cob? There are over a dozen ways to cook corn on the cob. Each method offers a unique flavor profile and texture, allowing for variety depending on your preference or available equipment. Let's take a look at the various ways to cook corn on the cob. Boiling. The most traditional method. Choose boiling when you need a quick and easy way to cook multiple ears of corn with minimal preparation. Submerge husked corn in a large pot of boiling water and cook for about 4 to 6 minutes until tender. Alternatively, you can turn the water off when it reaches a boil and submerge the corn for 8 minutes. Grilling. Opt for grilling if you want to infuse your corn with a smoky, charred flavor that pairs perfectly with summer cookouts. In husk, place the corn, still in its husk, directly on the grill. Cook over medium-high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally. Without husk, brush the husked corn with oil or butter and grill directly over medium heat for about 10 to 20 minutes, turning often to char evenly. You can also wrap the corn in foil before grilling and cook as if it is in the husk. Roasting. Roasting in the oven is ideal when you want to enhance the corn's natural sweetness and achieve a slightly caramelized exterior. In oven, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Place husked or husk-on corn directly on the oven rack or on a baking sheet. In foil, wrap husked corn in aluminum foil, optionally adding butter and seasonings. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes, turning halfway through. Microwaving. Microwaving is the go-to method when you're short on time and want a fast, convenient way to cook corn without any hassle. In husk, place a whole ear of corn in its husk in the microwave. Cook on high for 3 to 4 minutes per ear. Let it cool slightly before removing the husk. Without husk, wrap the husked corn in a damp paper towel and microwave on high for 3 to 4 minutes per ear. Steaming. Choose steaming to preserve the corn's natural flavor and nutrients, resulting in a tender and juicy cob. Place husked corn in a steamer basket over boiling water. Cover and steam for 5 to 7 minutes until tender. Broiling. Broiling is perfect when you want a quick char and caramelization on the corn without using a grill. Preheat the broiler. Husk the corn and place it on a broiler pan. Broil for 2 to 3 minutes per side, turning until slightly charred. Sous vide. Sous vide allows for precise temperature control, ensuring perfectly cooked tender corn every time with the option to infuse flavors. Place husked corn in a vacuum-sealed bag with butter and seasonings. Cook in a sous vide water bath at 183 degrees for 30 minutes. Pressure cooking, instant pot. Use a pressure cooker for a hands-off approach that quickly cooks corn while keeping it juicy and tender. Place a trivet or steamer basket in the instant pot. Add 1 cup of water and place husked corn on the trivet. Cook on high pressure for 2 minutes, then quick release. Smoker. Choose the smoker when you want to impart a deep, rich, smoky flavor that enhances the corn's natural sweetness. Smoke husked or husk-on corn in a smoker at 225 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes, depending on the desired smokiness. Fire roasting? Fire roasting is ideal for achieving a rustic, charred flavor reminiscent of campfire cooking. Hold husked corn over an open flame, like a gas stove or campfire, using tongs. Rotate the corn until it's charred to your liking, usually 5 to 8 minutes. Air frying. Air frying offers a quick, low-fat option that still gives you a slightly crispy roasted texture on the corn. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees. Place husked corn in the basket, brush with oil or butter, and cook for 10 to 12 minutes, turning halfway through. Blanching. Blanching is the method of choice when you need to lightly cook corn, especially if you plan to freeze it for later use. Submerge husked corn in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, then immediately transfer to an ice bath to stop the cooking. Ideal for prepping corn to freeze. Sesteri Easy Pod. The Easy Pod allows you to microwave or roast, season, and serve, all in the same container. Husk 1 or 2 ears of corn. Place in the Easy Pod with 1 tablespoon of water and butter to taste. Close the Easy Pod and microwave for 3 minutes per ear, turning once. The Easy Pod can also be used to roast corn in the oven. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and comment below. We'd also love it if you would subscribe to our channel.